Start. I would, therefore, say that there is no need to make sure that the definition is so large that creates harassment and problems for legitimate businesses. Stop. This provision should be considered in light of the fact that only one CIS has been registered with SEBI since 1999, and that CIS also is yet to launch a scheme. Stop. I would therefore like the government to clarify this issue, even though I do believe that it is better to over regulate on behalf of investors rather than not having any protection for them, as has been the case for the last few years. Stop era. Sir, on the issue of powers, I would like to say that in the process of giving powers to regulators to prosecute criminal elements, stop. The bill correctly provides a safeguard in terms of search and seizure by making a magistrate's approval required. Stop. I think, that principle should also apply for attachment because attachments create a very disorderly exit for investments and disruption of jobs. Stop. I think, since there is a special court, it may be a good idea to amend that clause to ensure that attachment is also sought after a magistrate's approval. Stop. Para. Sir, clause 15 in the original act and sub clauses 6 to 15 in the bill are about penalties. Stop. I think, the penalties are not punitive enough, and I propose that it should be raised from rupees 1 lakh and 1 crore to rupees 5 lakh and 5 crore. Stop. Sir, finally, to the issue of transparency in the functioning of SEBI, regulators like SEBI are being granted increasing powers by Parliament, assuming that these powers would be exercised in the interest of investors and the economy. Stop. But there will always be a temptation to misuse this power. Stop. Therefore, I am suggesting amendment in clause 17 or indeed have a new clause that ensures all consent agreements and cases are transparently disclosed, along with scores, on the SEBI website, instead of it being kept secret. Stop. This must be made legal and binding on SEBI as a part of its obligation to be transparent. Stop. Sir, at this moment, under the proposed law, this special court consists of a single judge. Stop. Basically, if you think about the challenge, the scope and the magnitude of the challenge before us, this may be a limitation of this bill. Stop. We take pride in our democracy, we take pride in our rule of law, but our reputation suffers because of an overloaded judicial system. Stop. Justice delayed is not just justice denied, sir, it is also a signal to crooks and criminals that they can get away by gaming the judicial system. Stop. Our finance minister in his previous avatar as a law minister had also paid attention to this particular issue, and it got in a number of measures to unclog the judicial system. Stop. He would be quite cognizant of what I am talking about, and therefore, I would urge him to ensure that such special courts are not just set up in Mumbai, but across the country, so that in every region we have the judicial architecture strengthened to ensure that white collar criminals do not get away with their scams. Stop. Sir, over the years, SEBI has needed a lot of regulatory support to do its job. Stop. This has happened despite automation, despite trade guarantees, tax concessions and a sharp decline in brokerage charges. Stop. Investors have left the market because they have seen people's investment get decimated because of shady practices without any redress available. Stop. Barring occasional blips, the primary market remains lifeless, sir, and mutual funds are not able to attract the retail money that it needs to attract. Stop. Sir, in economics, we teach a concept called revealed preference. Stop. To understand how well regulatory environment functions, we need to see what people actually do. Stop. Through their actions, we are able to understand the true impact of our regulatory architecture. Stop. In India, when we look at the true impact, you see where people are parking their savings. Stop. They are parking their savings in fixed deposits in banks, knowing fully well that inflation will reduce the value of their savings. Stop. Sir, SEBI has a huge role to play in fixing this kind of a problem. Stop. It needs to reassure every Indian that equity markets and mutual funds are viable, secure avenues for investment, that their risks are transparent and visible to everyone. Stop. SEBI has both the roles of a nurturer of markets and of a policeman, and it is not as if these roles are in conflict. Stop. The more effective SEBI is, as a policeman, the more trust it engenders in the people of India, and the more resources will flow into the stock markets. Stop. I hope these amendments would be considered to make the bill more effective. Stop.